Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Alexandra. So in today's video I'm going to clean my living room, update a bit of things around the house, and also change that little chair in the corner that I've been thinking to do this for over a year now. So I'm now have some free time after my university. I've recently graduated, registered as a nurse in the UK, and I'm so proud of this achievement. It took me a long time, I would say almost 5 years now, to get to this journey. So I'm so proud, relaxed at home now. So I got the time today, decided to clean my sofa. This sofa is from Sofa Club. I bought it over a year and a half ago and it's still looking like new. This is how I've been cleaning it. I use this piece of cloth. It's like cleaning cloth. It's clean. I put it into a washing up soap, and I wet it up and put it into like a lid of a pan, and I use it to clean. It really does a good job, cleans all the stains and stuff on the sofa. I have a son and a husband, and visitors who always come in, my sister's daughter, everyone who comes around sit in the chair. So once in a while you see some bit of stains of food, like curries, and that last time I spilled some curry we bought on it. It's all poured there, and I managed to clean it all gone. I'm just so surprised that this sofa is that good. It's just let all the stains out. Anyway, so just cleaning the coffee table in the middle there. I used the green one, which was wet a bit, to clean the table. Now using the dry one, which is the pink one, and then just setting everything up. As you can see, summer is all over now, and so just updating a bit of things and freshen the house, make the house look good. Often when you come to my home, it's almost like looking like this, but sometimes it's all messy and things scattered all about. So yeah, I just manage anytime I have time, and I straighten things about. I bought a chair which is coming for that little corner there and take the old one out, but it's not yet in, so I will update it in this video when it comes. So I'm just getting a bit of things all around. All this are just like my daily cleaning and stuff. I'm also going to do the outside, where when it's sunny I'm going to update things there. So this is how it looks now, all kind of clean and less dusty. So this chair, as I said, I got it off Facebook over a year now, and it's looking so muddy and so dirty now. I don't know how to clean it. I tried to clean it before, but it's not going, so I just left it. I decided to buy a different one and change that one to a different room. So this chair I bought is so stylish. I bought it off eBay for £80. For this price, it's really worth it. This chair normally is expensive than that, but I got it on a deal, so I decided to buy it, and it looks really stylish and good molding. So it's kind of a wood with a bit of two parts to it, so it's very easy to assemble, and it has come with a bit of screws and stuff, which I'll use to put into it. It looks really strong. When you sit in it, it's also feel very comfortable, very hatchback, which is really good. So just empty everything out and then set it up for you to see. So it came with a bit of parts, like two handles to the side, and then this one goes to, I think, where you sit, and the other one goes to the back. Yeah, and then a little cushion which is in front on the floor there also came with it, which is also handy. As you can see, most of my sofa in the living room has a little bit of cushions, or at the back. It's supposed to be the inside of the chair, but then I decided to put it at the back because some people say they don't feel comfortable when they're sitting, so I put them there. So that's similar to this cushion we have here. So just putting all these things in, very simple to put up. I just look at the manual just very little bit, and I was able to put it up. It's not difficult at all, very simple. So just putting all together, and also I decided to change that unit at the back there where the printer is on. You realize from my old videos that it used to be metal and black, but I recently changed it. I bought that unit from Facebook Marketplace, about I think £20 or so, which is really good, because I realized I have quite a lot of things now and I want to display them, and the other old unit was not that big enough. So this one is just perfect for the space, and the way it is designed in it, you can arrange the things, some of them up and some of them low. So just getting all that done, and then I go and put that chair there. So also I did my son's bedroom DIY, where the old chair in the corner there is going into my son's bedroom. So that is the plan. Hopefully it works. So let's see. I will also I think I posted already of the DIY for my son's bedroom. That is actually the last bedroom decoration in the house. So yep. It took me almost 2 years to do that work, and I'm still really proud that I've come to this far and I've managed to do that. So this is how the frame of this chair looks. If you look at it, it looks as if it's not strong, but it's really strong. When you finish everything and you fix it all together, you realize it's actually strong than it looks. Anyway, so I've seen this quite a lot in a lot of Instagram videos and TikToks and all that, and it looked really stylish and modern, and so I decided to get it because why not? It looks really good and it feels comfortable. That's the main thing, reason why I got it. Anyway, I'm going to put it in the corner there for you to see how it actually looks. So it came with this Allen key. That key goes through all the screws that are there. It's designed for all of them the same size. So this is all you need to assemble this chair, and it's so easy. And this is how it looks now, putting into that corner. You see the difference it makes. The other one was too bulky, and this one is kind of a bit airy and moldy and a bit of color, which is what I want. And let me show you how comfortable that is, you see. Anyway, so I'm bringing back that throw that I put in the other chair into this one to see how it goes. But then at the end also I'm going to change it again, because I always like changing things around. So I changed the green throw on the sofa end there to this brownish one I bought from Dusk about a year ago, which I used to decorate my bedroom. I have a lot of throws which I change about. Sometimes I want the living room to look a bit brownish or greenish depending on the season, so I do often change them around to match the place. And this one I decided to bring this flower and a pot to just break it out, and this is how the chair looks. So gorgeous. Also in the corner here is the wall I DIY'd, and everything that looks simple. Also I put my throw basket and everything into that shelf, and it all looks really good, and arranged everything in there clean and nice neatly. So I think this really looks good. This shelf makes a big difference compared to the black one that I had before. It has done a really good job taking all the things. Also I have in the corner here some pictures I got from the charity shop. I wanted to use to decorate in that little corner space left there and hang it. Also this is how the table looks, and this is the TV side. I've been thinking to paint those little wood panels at the back, to paint them the whole wall black and see how it will look. I just like black colors these days. It breaks things out and it makes things look really good. So that's what I've been thinking to do, change all those little white spaces there into black. I think it will work. So I like to do things and see how it goes, if it works or not. So now let's go to the outside. It's really sunny, and so I decided to just update the outside there. Often we sit out there and enjoy the sun and have some drinks, so why not? So I got this mat this year to decorate the backyard, and it looks really good. It gives more space and more airy. It make everything there look bright. And you can remember my palette shade that I made is still there. It looks really good, and it's still really healthy, not rotten or anything. Yeah, that's what I mean. And so that is my little garden space that I'm decorating, just updating as I've been doing, often seasonal, and just putting things all out there. And the day I filmed this part was so lovely, so beautiful weather out there. And oh god, I'm going to miss all the sunny days and all the winter coming in and all that. I'm not really ready for the winter and the autumn all coming in. Anyway, so that same throw again, I use it in so many places. It's very light, summery kind of summery autumny kind of throw. So this is how the outside look, all updated. What do you think about today's update of the house and everything that is going on? And yeah, stay tuned. As I said, I'm now a registered nurse, and I'm soon starting work with the NHS as a newly qualified nurse. Oh my god, this is kind of overwhelming. Anyway, stay tuned for all those updates that are coming and new videos that are coming on the house and life and everything else. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Wow.